We are here at the beautiful Symmes Chapel, also known locally as Pretty Place, and you can see why. We just watched a beautiful sunrise. It's very cold. It's January 3rd, which is the first day they have opened back up since the damage from Hurricane Helene several months ago. And this side of the roof is what had to be completely repaired. It had gotten completely blown off. They rebuilt this right side of the roof and had to repair a lot of the pews. But today is their first day opening up, and everyone is very excited. Probably a lot of weddings planned that got postponed the last few months. So we came for the first opening and for the sunrise. They're open 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. They said do check their schedule though for their public times. But it was beautiful, and I'm glad they're back open for 2025. Man, the leaves are getting so pretty back here. Here's some footage I got about 1 month after Hurricane Helene had come through. I was trying to get as close as I could to Pretty Place because we knew it was going to be closed for some time. This is on the way to Jones Gap State Park, which was also closed to a lot of damage and unfortunately remained closed even at the making of this video. But this was as close as I could get to Pretty Place from down below, looking up at it. The River Falls Valley, the Gap Creek Road area, those valleys and mountains are what makes the Pretty Place view so beautiful. Unfortunately, they did have some mudslides coming off the mountain in this area. Luckily, they did not do any damage to anyone or any structures. This is actually a small mudslide compared to one that's around the corner. But I just wanted to show what the actual structure looked like prior. This video is mainly about visiting Pretty Place at sunrise and why it's so amazing. But we were lucky enough to go on the day that they finally reopened, and the Facebook page and the website had tried to keep everyone as updated as possible on the repairs and the timeline. They knew it was going to be the new year before they reopened after the repairs. But luckily, they were able to get it done in the time frame that they had wanted, and we were lucky enough to be there the day they reopened. Well, we are headed home from Pretty Place. We got there for the sunrise, which was beautiful. And if you are going to try to come up to Pretty Place to watch sunrise, definitely consider getting here early. If you know exactly what time sunrise is, try to be here at least 10 to 15 minutes prior to that, so you can capture the sky and the light as it changes even before the sun comes up. We got here a little late, but we did make it. But next time I would try to get here a lot earlier than what we did this morning. And if you're coming in the winter time like we did, definitely bundle up, warm clothes, layers, maybe even bring a blanket, because you got to remember you're just sitting there in freezing cold temperatures. So bring a blanket so you can bundle up and stay warm while you watch that sunrise, because we probably sat there over half an hour or more getting video and pictures of the different stages of the sunrise. So it was beautiful, well worth it. And if you get to make it up here, be careful driving on these curvy roads and enjoy one of our more beautiful local attractions here in upstate South Carolina.